Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is one of the most versatile and inexpensive items you can have in your home. Though it's commonly used for baking, its usefulness goes far beyond the kitchen. From health remedies to cleaning solutions, baking soda offers a plethora of benefits that might surprise you. In this article, we'll explore 7 powerful benefits of baking soda and why it deserves a permanent spot in your pantry. 1. Natural teeth whitener and oral health booster. One of the most well-known benefits of baking soda is its ability to improve oral health. It acts as a gentle abrasive that can remove stains from teeth, leaving your smile brighter. Baking soda is often used as an ingredient in toothpaste because of its whitening properties and its ability to neutralize acids in the mouth. How it works. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps to balance the pH levels in your mouth, reducing acidity that can lead to tooth decay and bad breath. Its mild abrasive texture removes surface stains on your teeth without causing damage to your enamel. How to use. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Use this mixture to brush your teeth once or twice a week for a brighter smile. Note: avoid overuse, as excessive baking soda application may erode enamel over time. 2. Aids in digestion and relieves heartburn. Baking soda is a natural antacid that can neutralize stomach acid, making it an effective remedy for heartburn and indigestion. If you've ever experienced that uncomfortable burning sensation after a meal, baking soda can provide quick relief. How it works. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes excess stomach acid, providing relief from the symptoms of acid reflux. It can also help alleviate bloating and indigestion by reducing acidity in the digestive system. How to use. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly. Do not use this remedy frequently, as it may disrupt your body's natural acid balance. Caution: consult your doctor before using baking soda for digestive issues, especially if you have high blood pressure or are on a sodium-restricted diet. 3. Soothes skin irritations and bug bites. Baking soda is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that can help soothe irritated skin, whether it's from insect bites, rashes, or sunburn. Its alkaline nature provides relief by neutralizing acidic irritants. How it works. Baking soda helps reduce swelling and itching caused by bug bites or skin allergies. It can also act as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and soothing irritated areas. How to use. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with water and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 10–15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. For sunburn relief, add half a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak for 15–20 minutes. 4. Effective odor neutralizer. Baking soda is famous for its ability to absorb and neutralize odors. Unlike air fresheners that mask smells, baking soda eliminates the source of odors by neutralizing acidic and basic particles. How it works. Baking soda absorbs and neutralizes odor-causing molecules in the air or on surfaces. It's especially effective for eliminating smells from refrigerators, carpets, and shoes. How to use. Place an open box of baking soda in your fridge to keep it smelling fresh. Sprinkle it on carpets or inside shoes, let it sit for a few hours, and then vacuum or shake it out. 5. Boosts cleaning power. Baking soda is an excellent natural cleaner that's safe to use around the house. Its mild abrasive texture and alkaline properties make it perfect for tackling grime, grease, and stubborn stains. How it works. Baking soda acts as a gentle scrub that can remove dirt and stains from a variety of surfaces. It reacts with vinegar or lemon juice to create a powerful cleaning solution that can cut through grease. How to use. For tough stains, sprinkle baking soda on the area and scrub with a damp sponge. Mix it with vinegar for a fizzy reaction that's great for unclogging drains or cleaning tile grout. 6. Promotes healthier skin and hair. Baking soda can be a game changer for your beauty routine. From clarifying your scalp to detoxifying your skin, it offers numerous benefits for personal care. For skin, baking soda can act as a gentle exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin soft and smooth. Its ability to balance pH levels helps reduce acne and oiliness. For hair, baking soda can clarify your scalp by removing product buildup and excess oil. It's an excellent alternative to chemical-laden clarifying shampoos. How to use. For skin, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water to form a paste and gently massage onto your skin. Rinse thoroughly. For hair, add a teaspoon of baking soda to your shampoo and wash as usual. Use sparingly to avoid over-drying. 7. Enhances exercise performance. Did you know baking soda can boost your workout performance? Athletes often use it as a natural supplement to improve endurance and reduce muscle fatigue during high-intensity activities. How it works. Baking soda acts as a buffer, neutralizing lactic acid buildup in muscles during intense exercise. This can help delay fatigue and improve overall performance. How to use. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it about 30 minutes before your workout. Caution: baking soda may cause stomach discomfort in some people, so start with a small dose to see how your body reacts. Conclusion: the power of baking soda. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a versatile, cost-effective solution for a variety of everyday challenges. From improving your oral health to boosting your beauty routine and enhancing your workouts, its benefits are truly remarkable. By incorporating baking soda into your daily life, you can take advantage of its natural properties for a healthier, cleaner, and more convenient lifestyle. Like these tips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.